Hi guys, my name's Charlie and today I'll be taking you through the ES925 Gooseneck microphones from Technica. The ES925 Gooseneck is a modular microphone system designed for professional sound reinforcement and installed applications. Not only do they sound great, but their modular design means they can be deployed in a variety of configurations, making them extremely customizable for any application. Now, the way that the ES925 Goosenecks are measured is slightly unique, which leads us to a very important question. Does size matter? Well, I guess that depends on who you ask, but when it comes to goosenecks, yes, it absolutely does. In this video, we'll introduce you to the different components which make up the system and also explain how these can change the length of your gooseneck in different applications. The system is made up of 5 components, all of which are sold separately. 3 of these are essential for the system to work, and 2 of these are optional depending on your application. The 3 essential components are the power base, the gooseneck length and the microphone capsule. And the 2 optional components are the windshield and the mounting accessory. There are 2 mounting accessories, one is a clamp and the other is a shock mount. Firstly, you need to pick your power base, of which there are 5 options. You have the tabletop base, available in a 5-pin or decked version, and this is ideal for portable applications or installed applications where drilling into the desk is not an option. You then have the flush-mounted power module, ideal for more permanent installations, and this is available in a 3-pin XLR version or a 5-pin XLR version, both of which have a remote switch and LED status indicator with 7 on and off settings which are easily altered via the small selector screws underneath the unit. The 5-pin version gives you the freedom of logic control, but for most applications the 3-pin usually does the job. And finally, you have the ES925 inline power module, ideal for permanent or temporary applications or any applications where you don't want to give the user local control of the microphone. This is quite a flexible option as you can use it with the AT8574 shock mount or the AT8473 mic clip, depending on what best suits your requirements. So once you've got your base, you can now pick between 6 gooseneck lengths. We've got 6 inches, 12 inches, 15 inches, 18 inches, 21 inches, and a very impressive 24 inches. But this is where things get a little more confusing, as these lengths are only accurate when measured with the inline power module. For example, the 18-inch gooseneck is actually 15 inches on its own until you add the inline power supply. We've created a very helpful guide which explains the different lengths, so be sure to check that out via the link in the description below. So, now you've got your power base and gooseneck, it's time to pick your capsule. These are available in 3 different polar patterns: cardioid, hypercardioid, and a line cardioid microline capsule, which has a slightly lower acceptance angle to the normal cardioid at just 90 degrees instead of 120 degrees. There is also an omnidirectional capsule, but that doesn't tend to be a popular choice for goosenecks because it might pick up unwanted audio. If you want to learn which polar pattern is best for your application, check out our explainer video in the link here. Now we're onto the optional extras. Windshields are ideal for most speech applications as they help cut out wind noise caused by heavy breathing and help soften sharp sounds like P's and B's. You've got the AT8109A windscreen for the smaller capsules and the AT8138A windscreen for the larger microline capsule. Both of these windshields have a clear ring, so the LED from the gooseneck can still shine through clearly. And finally, when using the ES8544 XLR power module, you can use the AT8474 shock mount for fixed installations into a table or other services, and the AT8473 stand clamp for more portable applications. So, congratulations! You've now created your first ES925 Gooseneck microphone system. We hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.